Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I go about making my stickers. This is a relatively inexpensive way to go about it, since the only really expensive equipment required is a decent printer. First, what you want to do is open the scanned and edited image in whatever program you have for image editing. If you want to see how I scanned and edited this Totoro image, check out my Inktober video. I'll link it up here and in the description. Then you want to have two other blank images up. One will be 3 inches by 3 inches or whatever dimensions you want your finished stickers to be, and the other will be your standard 8.5 by 11, which will be our finished sticker sheet. Copy and paste your image into the smaller canvas and size it down. You can just resize the original image, but I like doing it this way so I can save this and have all of my stickers in one file. Once it's resized, copy and paste it to the 8.5 by 11 canvas and keep pasting it till you have filled the page. Always make sure there's enough space between the stickers so you can cut them out later. You don't want to crowd them too close. Then I do the same with all the other images I want to turn into stickers. Now that all my sticker sheets are ready, I'll just go ahead and print them. Now every printer is different and you will need to play around with the settings of your own printer to get the result you like, but with my printer I set it to borderless printing to get a truer size and set it to print on matte photo paper to get a higher resolution of print. But the paper that I'm using is a sticker paper, not matte photo paper. I am currently using the sticker paper that I got on Amazon. It has a sticker side and a backing side, and it's kind of hard to tell the difference at first because it has no printing on the backing, but the slightly shinier, slicker side is the backing. So you want to put it in, it depends on how your printer feeds the paper as to which side you put it in, but I find that struggling to do it with one hand works just fine for me. But in all seriousness, just make sure you're printing it on the right side. That is a very common mistake that I have made multiple times. I used to use full sheet shipping labels to make my stickers, but the things that I didn't like about the labels is that they had printing on the back and pre-perforated backing for easy peelability, and that always left a weird texture after I laminated them. Speaking of laminating, after you have all your stickers printed, it's time to laminate them. Unless you want matte stickers, and then don't do this step. The laminator that I have is not incredibly expensive, but if it is still out of your budget, you can always use contact paper to laminate your stickers. But I find that the heat lamination has fewer bubbles and is much more water resistant. I just slip them in the laminating sheets and run them through the machine. Once all of your stickers are laminated, now it is time to cut them out. For single stickers like these, a simple pair of scissors does the trick. So what if you want to print a collection of stickers on a single sticker sheet? Well, the layout process will be pretty similar, just on a smaller scale. I prefer to make 4 sticker sheets on one 8.5 by 11 page, but you can arrange them however you like. You run it through the laminator the same way. Then I just take my handy dandy guillotine cutter, but you can just use scissors, and cut out the single sheets. Now we want to cut out the individual stickers but keep the page intact. The best way to go about this is with an X-Acto knife, making sure to only cut through the lamination layer and the sticker layer, not the backing. It takes a little practice to get the hang of it, and I find that moving the sheet around rather than the blade makes for a smoother cut. Naturally, this will take you longer to cut out than the single larger stickers, but I honestly love small stickers and multiple designs on one page, so I prefer this method over the other. So there we have it, your very own designs turned into stickers. I hope you found this video helpful. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. I do one every week. Also, follow my other social media where I post artwork every day. Links are in the description. Hope you have a great day. Bye.